afternoon, traders. What a day it's been on the S&P and all the big holders. Microsoft beat earnings, big rally in Microsoft after hours. We're going to be going over all that. And as I said in this morning's video, we're going to be doing a morning pre-market review video of the Asian market session, German market session, and British market session. So that way we can gauge movement on SPX and SPY. But let's get right on into the technicals today. So, Tesla. As I said earlier this morning, my levels I was watching was going to be 209 on the downside, 217 and 221 on the upside. We hit both of these levels right here, rejected both of them, so I'm expecting short-term downside possibly on Tesla. If we do break to the upside more, then this gap is going to be a big resistance level. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw right here. Watch this area. I believe that you're going to get some interesting price action, at least some consolidation in there, if not some major selling. So that's what I'm watching on Tesla and Microsoft now. I believe Microsoft is rallying up. Yeah, so we got a spike up all the way to 342 is where we're sitting right now after hours. Not bad at all. So that might be the momentum needed to break down that 334 level. We'll find out tomorrow if that's the case. And we hold 342. Let's see where that is on the chart. So that's going to be right here. So the big thing to watch tomorrow is going to be to see if 338 holds up and see if this gap ends up pulling up, or do we just drop right down, fill the gap, and then proceed higher. I believe that Microsoft, it's going to be some big and some very good news for them. That would be earnings. Watch out 334 support as well. So that's what I'm going to be watching on Microsoft. Now Apple. The big levels I'm going to be watching on Apple is going to be the 173 support. As I said in this morning's video, that I was watching 173 support, 171 support, and 175 resistance. These levels are still the levels in play as of now. I'm going to be watching for Apple. Then NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, a little bit, I mean, it did decent for the day. I'm not disappointed at all with it. Volume was a little bit on the low side, so that's a little concerning. I think 433 and 444 is still going to be the range to watch tomorrow. 410 is still a level in play, kind of. If we get it just an absolute bloodbath over the next few days and the video just absolutely dumps and watch 410 and 403, but it's not really a level that I'm interested in. The main thing I'm watching is this area right here, this range between 444 and 433. That's what I'm watching on NVIDIA. And then SPY. Let me get rid of this Fibonacci retracement I was using earlier. So big level I'm going to be watching on SPY tomorrow is at 423, 425. Hopefully Microsoft will be a big boost to SPY tomorrow. If we break down the 425 level, then definitely watch that the 426, 428, and 430 come pretty soon. So that's what I'm going to be watching for SPY at least. But also keep in mind that you do have a bear flag forming right now, as you can see right here. Not the neatest bear flag, but still I would watch it. It's not the best, considering that it also got low volume to confirm the bear flag. I would not be surprised with all the geopolitical events going on in Israel that it would just take one bad news event for this just to absolutely dump. But last but not least, McDonald's. So McDonald's, where did we close at? So we closed at 257.27. Not that bad. We filled the gap right here. So this has one of two directions. Considering the low volume, we had an increase in price but lower volume. So I would watch this 254.57 level tomorrow. More specifically, 253 would be a critical level. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, that my stop loss is now set to break even at 249.52. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be watching for McDonald's. And for the S&P tomorrow, good luck, traders.